This tutorial review will show you how to edit Assistive Access. You can easily add or remove any apps from Assistive Access. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, scroll down, tap on Assistive Access, and here under Applications, tap on Manage Apps, and now you can easily add an app to your Assistive Access section. Just tap on this plus icon next to the app you want to add. And to remove any app from your Assistive Access, tap on this minus icon, tap on Remove, then tap on Back. And you can change your Assistive Access layout from here. Tap on Wallpaper, and you can add a wallpaper to your Assistive Access homepage. You can enable allow volume buttons from here. You can show time on lock screen from here. You can show battery percentage on home screen from here. You can show notification badges from here. You can also Siri from here. And to set a passcode for your Assistive Access, tap on Passcode Settings, tap on Change Assistive Access Passcode, and set here a passcode. You can set a recovery Apple ID for your Assistive Access passcode. And now to start Assistive Access, tap on Start Assistive Access. So that's how we can edit Assistive Access on iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.